Chili is not only for the winter time. I serve it in my household year round. That's why today I'm showing you how to make the perfect bowl of chili. If you love chili, you're going to love this recipe. Like this video for me if you enjoy it. Let's dive in. We're going to drizzle a little bit of avocado oil to our pot here, and then we're going to fry the veggies, saute pretty much. I like to add the veggies first because they'll take a little bit longer to saute, so I'm adding them first. I'm using orange bell peppers because I don't have green bell peppers. Who got time to be wasting money on buying green bell peppers when I have these, right? Now I'm going in with my minced garlic. Now I'm going in with 1 pound of lean ground beef. If you want this to be healthy, so 93% lean, 7% fat, okay, to keep this nice and healthy. Now I'm going to fry my tomato. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of tomato. When making chili, it's all about the flavor. Have you ever tasted a very bland chili? No, no, no. I like to build the flavor when I'm making chili to make sure every spoonful is extremely flavorful. So now we're going in with all the seasoning, which I will have down below. It's a combination of chili powder, paprika, onion, garlic powder, salt, pepper, chicken bouillon, some cumin is in there as well. And I'm going to add that seasoning all over. Mix it together, and we're still going to keep sauteing everything. And when that seasoning is frying, it kind of release the flavor even more, okay? It's already looking good so far. I was supposed to drain the water. Do you guys see the texture? That's exactly what we want. Do you guys see the texture? That's exactly what we want. That way we already give the celery, the bell peppers a head start. So now I'm going in with my kidney beans. I'm using 2 kinds of beans today. I'm using red kidney beans and black beans. And also we're going in with some diced tomatoes. Oh, looking good so far. And now I'm going in with 2 cups of beef broth. Perfect. And now I'm going to cover it, allow it to simmer on medium-low for about an hour, okay? Our chili is finally done, okay? And it looks amazing, tastes amazing. Come take a quick look. Look at that. That's how you know your chili really cooked through. Look at that. Nice and thick. Just gonna pour me a nice bowl of chili. Guess what? I made myself a delicious homemade honey butter cornbread. Look at that. I'm going to add some cheese. I love my chili with cheese, okay? A little bit of cheese to garnish, a little bit of green onion. And guess what? I made myself this delicious, ooh, it's literally fresh. Oh, I'm gonna have to take it like that. Fresh homemade cornbread. Absolutely, absolutely delicious. Take a look. When I tell you, this chili recipe is one you need to keep and save for the book. It's so good. Don't wait till winter to try this. I'm telling you, I make this year round because chili is such a good source of fiber. It's amazing and it's good for you. So try it out. Let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and also if you've been with the family, I want to thank you so much. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.